Here is the first example. Consider the marks obtained out of 100 marks by 30 students at class 9 of a school. Here is the raw data is given. 10, 20, 36, 92 till 88. So next slide please. So to understand this data easily, we present it in a table as given below. So one column is of marks and other one is number of students. That is the number of students who have obtained a certain number of marks is called the frequency of those marks. So the 10 marks is obtained by number of students 1 and 20 marks is obtained by 1 student again. 36 marks is obtained by only 3 students and further 9.
Right? Next slide.
No, sir. This table is called an ungrouped frequency distribution table as it shows the frequency of each individual value in the given data. Now let us move to example data. Next slide. So here it is. Age of 13 people in an your locality. So the data is given below. So so how to put? So we are going to next. The data above can be condensed in tabular form using tally marks as follows. As the raw data is quite large as compared to first example, so we are using grouping along with tally marks. So first it is nothing. So table, of course it is nothing new or you all understand. This above type of table is called group frequency distribution table. As this table is it shows the frequencies of groups of values in the given data.
Right. So let me just brief about it because we have some audio challenge with Anshika. So here you can see in this table marks are there and in the front of that number of students. There is a frequency is there, right? So you can see number 10 occurred one time, number 20 occurred one time, number 36 occurred 3 times. It means that 36 marks obtained by 3 students. Out of in a class of 13, there are 3 students who scored 36 marks. In the same way, if we have 40 marks, it means the 40 marks are being obtained by 4 students out of 30. So like this, we have given the table, and whenever we are just arranging it in this form, this answer belongs to which question, Anshika? Right, fine. Okay. So one thing we always have to keep in our mind, you can see the age group. Age group means the class size. The class size is like that. We have 0 to 10. It means all the students whose age is from 0 till 10, not 10. Please make a note, not 10, till 10. So if a student is having 10 years, the child will not be included in the first group. It is 0 to 10, including 0, excluding 10. 10 to 20 means including 10, excluding 20. That is 10 से लेके 20 तक 20 नहीं. So whenever we are counting these groups, we will not count 20 over there. So let's have a look on the question. How many numbers are there from 0 to 10? We have 5. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sir, again 5.
Then 3. Then we have 4 and 5. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
From 0 to 10, we have 5 numbers. And tally mark, how to mark the tally mark? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1 slash. Right? Hope you remember it.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Let's
sir.
check how many numbers we have from 50 to 60. 50 to 60, 50 to 60, 50 to 60, 51. 1,
Yes.
50 to 60, 50 to 60, 51 again. So 2 numbers are. So we have 2 numbers. So hope you got it how to write a individual data or discrete data into the group frequency distribution table. Is
Yes,
it
sir.
understood, everyone? Others?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes.
Great. So now let's move to
yes, sir.
let's solve some exercise questions. Yes. Now we will take the chart. Is it done?
Amit.
Amen. Okay.
Yes. So now we will solve some exercise questions. So here is a question. So in this question, value of the pi is given up to 50 decimal places. And in the first part of question, we have to make a frequency distribution table from the days 0 to 9 after the decimal point. So, sir, please move next slide.
Yeah.
So as here is the answer and here and in this table we can observe that 0 has a frequency up to as it has occurred 2 times after the decimal point, and 1 has a frequency of 5 and as it has occurred 5 times after the decimal point.
Right.
And in the second part we have to tell that what are the least and most frequently occurring digits. So least frequently occurring digits means the digits which have least frequency, and most frequently occurring digits means the digits which have maximum frequency. So least frequently occurring digit is 0 as it has frequency up to it has occurred only 2 times. So 0 will be the least frequently occurring digit. And if we observe in the table, then we can observe that 3 and 9 has occurred 8 times. So it has the frequency of 8, which is the highest frequency in the table. So these digits will be the most frequently occurring digits. So now Samir will continue the topic with the next question.
Next question is the first question of exercise 14.2. The question is, the blood groups of 30 students of class 8 are recorded as follows. You can see the blood groups. The question is represent this data in the form of a frequency distribution table. So first we will make the frequency distribution table. Next question is, this is a part of question. No sir, please. Yes sir. The next part is, which is the most common and which is the rarest blood group among these students. So first we will make the frequency distribution table. Then we will be able to find the most common and rarest blood group. Sir, please move the slide. This is the frequency distribution table. You can see the blood group. There are 2 columns. In one column, the blood group is there, and in the second column, number of students means frequency is there. So you can see A is occurring 9 times, B is 6 times, AB is 3 times, and O is 12 times. Total number of students are 30. So the question was that which is the most common. So we will go through the table, and we can see that O is occurring 12 times. So we can say 12 the most O blood group is high maximum frequency, and the rarest blood group is AB as it is occurring 3 times. Sir, please move the slide. Thank you everyone. Our topic comes to an end. If you have doubt, then you can ask